In this lesson, we're gonna learn
Sentence ending the. Sentence ending the is put at the end of a sentence. The is used when you talk yourself about your judgment or decision. For example, 勉強するぞ. Talk yourself about your decision. I will study. Another example. この本は難しいぞ. This book is difficult to read. Talking yourself about your judgment. Also, this is used to inform and insist the speaker's idea. For example, 今日はごちそうだぞ. We're gonna have a feast today. Another example. 行くぞ. We are leaving. The to insist the speaker's idea sounds a bit strong, so this the tends to be used by male. The first way to use the, which is used when you talk to yourself, is used by everyone. And if you do not like to use sentence ending the, you could use sentence ending yo instead of the. For example, 行くよ. We are leaving.
We have another video that explains more detail. Please have a look!
Then let's do speaking practice. Sure. How do you say, I will study? Using the. Study is 勉強する. The answer is 勉強するぞ. We usually omit 私は when it's clear from the context. Then repeat after me. 勉強するぞ. How do you say we are leaving using the? Let's use 行く for leaving. 行く means to go. The answer is 行くぞ. Repeat after me. 行くぞ. Example sentences. 明日も頑張るぞ. I'll do my best again tomorrow. 風邪っぽいぞ. I think I'm getting a cold. 今日は帰っていいぞ. You can go home today. もうすぐ着くぞ. We are almost there. 今日の授業はここまでです.
You did great today!
Check the video on the left if you wanna learn more about particle yo. Also, check the video on the right if you wanna learn Japanese from anime. Bye!